Sophie, to get recognition from your own teammates and from the fans, that must be quite something special.
Yeah, it's quite overwhelming. It's an honour to get the award, both from the fans and my own teammates. Mainly the teammates one is a bit more personal to me because they voted for me and thought that I've done well throughout the year. So it's a nice little touch at the end of the season.
Yeah, I'd imagine that is very special, that your own teammates, the players that you lead, the players that you play with, they appreciate the qualities that you show on and off the field.
Yeah, that's the thing. You don't always expect it, but it was unexpected tonight, so it was a nice little unexpected.
Yeah, and it comes at the end of a campaign where things seem to be improving, and you finished strongly.
Yeah, we finished really well. I think it's a bit frustrating that we started off, quite poorly, but again, we're in transition period and we're growing as a team. Some of the young kids coming through now, frightening talent. So I can't wait for the next year or two with those kids coming up and the squad we've already got. I think we're going to shock some teams.
And you mentioned the young talent, Bronwen, one of those players as well. You mentioned, you get the award from the fans. That's something else, I suppose, success on the field. We've seen it with the men, that to attract more people to watch the side play as well in the next qualifiers.
Yeah, like I said earlier, our media staff are doing really well. They're coming into each camp, trying to promote us best they can on and off the field. We're doing interviews more, we're having photos taken, we're doing everything we can to promote us as female footballers, and that's massive for us, for Wales.
That's great. Well, congratulations and well done tonight.
Thank you.